Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alrighty, let's fly this iFly. Which one is the forward side? You never know. So the button, the on-off switch, where you press the on-off switch, that is probably the back side. Well, I'm confused again. Anyway, so turn that on, turn the radio on, move the throttle up and down, and you're ready. So press this middle button right here for taking off. We'll take off and hover. Now let me see. Yep, I was right. The other side, then the opposite to the on-off switch is your, where you install the battery is your right side or front side. Okay, so now you can go forward, backward, right, left. Okay, so this is your man, this is very confusing to fly. You can get disorientated really quick. Anyway, so this is the basic speed. Very slow, as a full throttle. Full forward cyclic kind of thing. And I can change the speed to second. Man, this is really hands-free. Check it out. It's like, if you set the trims right, this is hands-free. Okay, so this is the second speed. That's how fast it goes in its second speed. Alright. And the third speed mode. Almost flying that way, the way we want it. But not like, fixed wing configuration. Punch is nothing, like nothing on it. But the speed could be really nice. And the thing I like is, as soon as you leave the sticks, it's really hands-free. So basically this is very beginner friendly. Oh, that was wrong. Why? Now it's, I don't know. Okay, this was the front. So as I said, yes, it's really very easy for you. So yes, as I was saying, it is really easy for you to get disorientated on this one. But altitude hold is really nice. And check this out. I'm gonna get you dizzy. Check this out. Altitude hold is superb. Man. But the thing is, time by time, it just wants to bump down, especially if you are flying it in high speed mode and you go fast, full forward. Hey, there's a hoop there, I can go through it. It will tend to drop. Let's see if I can do this challenge by going through this hoop. I'll put it to low speed. Yay, I went through it. 2, 3, 4. Look at that. Look at this camera. this dude. Focus this dude here. How he's watching this quadcopter. Now he's watching me. Alright, one moment. Let me just grab his attention. Come on. Oh, now he got it. Now he got it. Oh, now he's looking at me. One moment. This dude watches everything. Look, now his lens is focused on that on the quadcopter, up and down. This thing is crazy. Anyway, so I fly little quadcopter, kind of plain quadcopter, is still flying, and it is really fun to fly. Oh, almost hit myself. I wish it could actually go like a plane completely forward, Alright, battery is going down and I'm getting really dizzy. The flight endurance on this one is really short. Apart from that, it's really fun to fly little quadcopter. Very easy to fly and very, very beginner friendly. Let me charge the battery and we'll give it one more flight.